dig small engines now. I've just finished the top end on this Stihl TS350, but I want to show you the ring orientation for the chamfered rings. So we'll use the old piston as an example. Chamfered rings, as you can see, there and there. These will sit and line up with these little notches. They're just to hold the rings in place when they're compressed in the cylinder. So your chamfered side will sit down like so. There's one and two. You can imagine we'd lamp a bit of assembly lube on, but this is just for example purposes. So then when they're compressed, it creates a seal, as I'm now simulating. Simple as that. I'll do a more in-depth video of this top end, but until the next one, take care, ta for now.